How to use Kucoin Lucky Raffle. Now, Lucky Raffling is a new system part of Kucoin Win, which is only available in the Kucoin app. This video is sponsored by them, so listen very carefully. They asked me if I wanted to make a video. I was like, I don't know, Kucoin. And then Kucoin was like, hey, you want some money? We have a budget for it. I was like, I do want some money. So that's why I'm making this video. Full disclosure, and I'm still gonna give you the pros and cons of the platform. Now, these are raffles, so there is always going to be a winner, and Kucoin is going to make a small profit within each raffle. So if you have an account with Kucoin and you have not gone through KYC, because you kind of don't have to, you would still be able to use Kucoin Win Lucky Raffling. You can buy as many raffle tickets as you want, but are you really going to spend $99 to win $100 while still risking the chance of losing all that money? Probably not. The raffles do fill up pretty quickly and winners are decided very fast, but in the event like a big raffle isn't filled within 3 weeks, your money is returned to you. Now, if you do win a raffle, you get the winnings paid out as USDT. So even though it says like win an iPhone, win 5 KCS, you get the USDT value of that. And a quick thing about raffle versus lottery. Lottery, potentially no one would win, but with a raffle, there's always a winner decided. So this is Kucoin's raffle system, but they refer to it as a lottery in some cases, so don't be confused there. There is always going to be a winner. At any given time, there are these 4 types of raffles, and your odds of winning do range depending on how much risk you want to take on. So they do have a heads-up raffle. You put in 5.5 KCS, and you could potentially win 10 KCS. Now you're probably wondering, okay, if 2 people enter this raffle, there's going to be 11 KCS in the pool, and I'm only getting 10 KCS. Well, Kucoin does make a profit from each raffle, and that's what it is. So, yeah, sponsored video, but I'm still going to tell you the truth. And that's true for each of these raffles. There is going to be a small profit made by Kucoin in each type of raffle, and your odds do vary based on how much risk you want to take on. And these are all scenarios where you just buy 1 ticket. So they do have a raffle, bet 1 KCS, potentially win 5. There are going to be a total of 6 tickets sold within that raffle. So if you're only buying 1 raffle ticket for each of these types of raffles, your odds of winning are 50%, 16.7%, 9%, and then 0.8%. You have a 1 in 125 chance of winning 1,119 USDT, iPhone 12 Pro. You just get the USD equivalent value of it for a 10 USDT raffle ticket. These are my results. Out of the 5 raffles I participated in, I won 1, and that was the 5.5 KCS 2-person raffle. Someone lost 5.5 KCS, and that went to me. So results are not typical. I don't like taking on a lot of unnecessary risk, so I won't be playing anymore personally. I did net 32 USDT, which is pretty good. I'm going to quit while I'm ahead, but since I have to make this video, I'm going to do 1 more raffle and I'm going to show you how that works. Lucky Raffle is only available in the Kucoin app. So from the Kucoin app, we go to Kucoin Win, then Lucky Raffling, and then the lotteries below here are the ones you can participate in. And at any given time, there are going to be 4 raffles open, and this is what you can typically expect. From week to week, it might change. It might be a different raffle, it might be a different currency, and just different events. So from these first 4 boxes, 1 versus 1 PK, not available. Free lotteries, not available. Invite friends, not available, but my records is. So you can see my records here, and I lost 4 raffles and 1 I came out ahead, luckily, so that is great. Results, not typical. You could lose money, be very careful. And let's jump into a lottery here. So I'm gonna go for this long shot and just throw away 10 USDT. I'm gonna hit buy now, and it shows you here how many people have bought raffle tickets. 37 have been bought, 88 are left, and I'm gonna buy 1. So I'm gonna hit buy now. And then it says I can place an order for as many lottery tickets as I want. These are raffle tickets once again, because there's definitely going to be a winner for each of these events. You can buy as many as you want. Right now there are 88 left, but I'm not going to take on that much risk to win that much amount of money. I'm going to buy one raffle ticket. And for this specific raffle, you do need to pay in USDT, whereas the other raffles that are currently available, you would need to pay in KCS. And these funds come from your trading account, so you have to make sure you have money there. Like myself here, if you don't have any money in your trading account, you're going to have to move some there. So I do have money in my main account, and I'm going to move over 10 USDT. That's moving from my main account to my trading account. And then I'm just going to hit confirm. Transfer is complete, and now I can buy one raffle ticket. I hit confirm, and I have successfully entered this lottery, aka raffle. Now there are a lot of raffle tickets still available, so I won't see the results potentially for several days. If this raffle does not fill up within 3 weeks of it starting, then all funds that have been used to buy lottery tickets will be refunded. And that's how you use Kucoin Lucky Raffling. Good luck to you. This video was sponsored by Kucoin, keeping everything honest here. And if this video has been helpful to you, please help me out with that like button, and I hope you got your full value for today.